Why did early cars rust so easily? Do you know how many paint layers a car actually has? This is the Volkswagen paint shop. These bodies just came over from the welding shop. Before painting, the body has to be washed. The main goal is to remove the rust prevention oil left on the sheet metal. After washing, the water is fully drained. The next step is extremely important: electrocoating. The gray liquid in the tank is the electrocoating solution. They use a 360-degree rotating cathodic electrocoating process. The body is fully rotated in the solution for 8 minutes. During this time, the surface reacts chemically with the liquid and forms an electrocoating layer about 20 micrometers thick. As long as this layer is not damaged, the car body will never rust. The next process is robotic application of seam sealer. This seals the joints, keeps water out, and also improves appearance. After the seam sealer, the underbody protective coating is applied. This coating protects against impacts from below, reduces vibration, lowers noise, and prevents corrosion. After that, workers manually apply polyvinyl chloride sealing material to the door edges. All 4 doors, the hood, and the trunk lid are made using a crimped process, so small gaps are unavoidable. Over time, these gaps can let in water and moisture, leading to rust. That is why the edges must also be sealed. Next comes a process many manufacturers do not have: stone chip protection under the door sills. This coating resists high-speed stone impacts and protects the body sheet metal. Once all sealing materials are baked and cured, it is time for the official painting stage. Volkswagen uses a fully automated paint line from the German company Dürr. Thanks to this high-end intelligent equipment, the factory earned the Level 4 Intelligent Manufacturing Capability Maturity certification this year, the first joint venture automaker in the country to do so. Before painting, the body surface is lightly wiped to remove dust and eliminate static electricity. Painting starts with the inner surfaces, and the entire process is fully handled by robots. The whole environment uses electrostatic dust removal, which helps prevent dirt spots and particles in the paint. After the inside is done, painting moves to the exterior. The spray gun has a built-in electrostatic system. The paint is atomized at the nozzle, electrically charged, and then attracted directly to the body surface. This gives more even coverage than traditional spraying. To make the paint glossy and hard, a final clear coat is applied. Volkswagen uses a premium clear coat from the same supplier used by Rolls-Royce. Its gloss and hardness exceed industry standards. In minor scrapes, it is usually the other car that loses paint. After painting, there is one more critical step that many automakers skip. This is Volkswagen's long-used cavity wax corrosion protection process. Before waxing, the body is preheated using circulating air at 90 to 100 degrees Celsius. Then 120 kilograms of high-temperature wax is injected into the internal cavities. After the cavities are filled, excess wax flows out by gravity. In the end, about 1 to 2 kilograms of wax remain inside, forming a protective film between 0.03 and 1 millimeter thick. Cavity waxing effectively prevents internal corrosion caused by moisture. That is why they confidently promise 3 years without surface rust and 12 years without rust perforation. The final step is applying the barcode label on the trim panel. Do you know what it is used for?